Hey y'all, what's up? It's your homeboy Justin. We're back here with another dreadlock video. Today's not a tutorial. It's more of a Q&A. It's actually a comment Q&A. Bobby Agnew, he asked me on one of my videos, he was asking me if I could show you guys my dreadlock journey. And I actually haven't even I don't know why I haven't done that already. But actually this month, February, I'll be celebrating 2 years and 7 months of Locs. So might as well tell you guys, I don't know, I've got pictures. I'm gonna show y'all a slideshow of what I've gone through the last 3 years to get here, and we'll just go right into that. All right. So one of the things that I definitely want to stress is that when you begin your lock journey, you're really committing yourself to growing your hair and maintaining it, and making sure that you're doing everything that you can facilitate healthy growth and strong locks. You'd really want to, really think about this. I thought about it for a year before I did my dreadlocks, so I definitely took the time to weigh the pros and cons and to think about if I was really ready for this step. And so I went to this girl, and she started my locks for me. For the first 6 months, your hair will have a coil kind of texture to it. It'll look like just comb coils, which is kind of how she started my hair. She just used the comb coil method. After a while, your hair starts to mature and starts to lock up. Definitely you don't want to wash your hair too strenuously the first 6 months. When I'm washing my hair, I waited I washed my dreads every month, probably every 4 weeks. I did do a light rinse every 2 weeks or every week just to kind of, get loose dirt out of my hair, but I would only shampoo once every 4 weeks because I really want to give my hair a chance to lock and to mat together. I know that for some people this may be a little bit hard in terms of the whole cleanliness thing, and I understand, but at the same time you don't really have to worry about it. It kind of, I don't know, if you don't think about it, it's not a problem. If you think about it and you stress about it, then yeah, you're gonna be worried that your hair ain't as clean as other people's hair. Then after that, I started washing my hair every 2 weeks and it was fine. Of course, your hair gets looser at the roots, so you want to retwist your hair. I was still going to my hairstylist and she was retwisting my hair about every 2 to 3 weeks. After that, I just did my hair myself. Really what I need to do is save money, so I stopped going to the barber. I haven't been to a barber in about 1.5 to 2 years now, and I've been retwisting my locks myself for about 1.5 years now, or about 1.5 to 2 years. I mean, it saves me. I was going to the barber, that was $20 every 2 weeks, and the lady retwisted my hair, that was another $20. So that was about anywhere from $60 to $80 a month I was spending on my hair, and now it's just me. Obviously, it takes time. You have to kind of really make sure you're honing in on the technique too. That was another thing that took me a minute, is that I tried retwisting my hair myself 2 times, and then I still went back to Ashley for her to do it because she just did a better job. And then after I got the hang of it, it was just you know what? It's just gonna be time consuming, and you're gonna have to learn how to do it. You're gonna have to learn how to do it faster and get better at it. So I just stopped going to her, and I took it upon myself to do my hair myself. So yeah, but I love it so much. I love that this is something that, although I didn't start all on my own, I'm glad that I can now maintain it on my own and groom my hair and cut it and do what I need to do and style it by myself, which is the best thing. It's literally almost it's a labor of love. It is definitely a project that I'm very proud of. My own hair, is that this is something that is mine and something that I can use to express myself. So that's just the best thing that's come out of me growing these locks. And so looking back from the pictures, I think my hair was short now, but looking back 2-3 years ago, my hair was, I had a bald fade before I started growing out my hair. So yeah, from the bald fade to the mohawk to the little baby locks to now, it's definitely been a long journey, but I definitely am excited and can't wait to see how this furthers and see how it goes in the future. So yeah, that's my lock story. And that's my hair story. That's my lock journey that I've done thus far. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me any questions in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date with all the stuff I'm posting. And I say it like I'm posting every week or every day. I don't want to keep making stuff just because. I want there to actually be a reason why. So that's why I'm not posting as regular or frequently as some of you guys may want me to, or as other YouTubers do. It's all good. But at any rate, I will see y'all next time. Don't remember to stay locked, be respectful, love one another, and until next time, y'all, peace.